how to force quit an app on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can force quit an app on iPhone when your app is frozen, acting up, or just won't close properly. So nowadays, you don't use iPhone with the home button. And then if you also don't like the assistive touch, then it's really simple. You just need to simply swipe up from the very bottom of your screen and pause for a moment in the middle. Then it will open up all the currently opened apps. It will appear as cards. Now you just need to swipe up the app that you want to close, and then there you go. This is how you force quit an app on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.